Hi to all, welcome back to my channel. This is KVS, your mentor for CBSE, State Board, JEE Mains and Advanced, and also for all other competitive exams. In this video, I would like to go for trigonometry class 11, exercise 3.2 solutions. We walk through clear step-by-step solution to each problem. And also these questions definitely are designed to help you to understand fundamental concepts very clearly. And they are very easy to follow and very easy to understand. As you know that trigonometry is one of the basic for engineering studies and astronomy and computer science for many more fields. Without late, so here is the exercise. So here question number 1 to question number 5. All are same pattern, same model. One of the trigonometric function is given. Either you can use right angle triangle, or else you can use the fundamental identities to find the rest of the trig functions. Fundamental identities means cos squared x plus sin squared x will be equals to 1, secant squared minus tan squared. You can use any. The best one is right angle triangle here. So question number 1 is given by cosine x is given minus 1 by 2 and angle lies in third quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive and the second quadrant only sine cosecant are positive, rest will be negative. Third quadrant means only tan and cot. There is the question number 1 is given. Then we have to find the all other trigonometric ratios. So cos means adjacent side is given by 1 and hypotenuse is given by 2. We can find the third side by using Pythagorean concept, Pythagorean formula, root over 4 minus 1. So opposite side will be 3. This is angle x given here, and the cos means adjacent side. No need to use the negative sign because the quadrant will tell us sign of the trig function here. So sin x means opposite side, that means sin x will be minus root 3 by 2. And tan x is anyway positive, opposite side by adjacent side, tan x is root 3. And cot x is reciprocal of this one, 1 by root 3. And secant x reciprocal of cos, that is minus 2. Cosecant x means reciprocal of this one, so minus 2 by root 3. So these are the remaining trigonometric function. This is question number 1. So when you come to question number 2, sin x is given. Sin x is given by 3 by 5. So 3 by 5, angle falls in second quadrant. This will tell us the sign here. So sin x given. Sin means opposite side 3 and hypotenuse pi given. So adjacent side is 4 here. In second quadrant, only sin and cosecant are positive, rest will be negative. Therefore, cos x goes to minus 4 by 5, tan x will be minus 3 by 4, cot x will be minus 4 by 3, secant reciprocal of this minus 5 by 4 and cosecant x pi by 3. So this is question number 2. So when you come to question number 3, cot x is given, lies in quadrant 3. So cot x means, as you know, so 3, adjacent side is given by 3 and hypotenuse opposite side is given by 4. So 3 and 4. You can find the hypotenuse, that means 5. You can write all other trig functions. So question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. So 4 and 5 you can do in the same way. And question number 1 completed and question number 2 completed. So when you come to question number 6 to question number 10, you are given some angles. You are asked to find out the simplest possible value. So whenever beyond 360 is given, up to 360 means you have to follow the quadrant wise. So like 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. After completion of one round, you get the same pattern. That means you have to identify the number of rounds completed, number of revolutions done here. So sine first one, question number 6, sine 765 is given. So 765 can be 2 times of 360 and 720 completed. So the least one left is 45 degrees here. Therefore, Sine 765 will be equals to sine 720 plus 45 because 2 rounds have been done. So left with only least angle 45. So which is nothing but sine 45. So sine 45 means as we know 1 by root 2. So try to try to remove the as many multiples of 360. We are landing to direct the simplest possible angle here. So this is question number 6. The question number 7 means writing. Question number 8 one. So tan of 19 pi by 3. Tan of 19 pi by 3. So 19 pi by 3 means again beyond 360 is there here. You can write as 6 pi. So 6 pi plus pi by 3 because 3 into 6, 18, 18 plus pi, 19 pi by 3. So that means 3 rounds completed here, 2 pi's completed here. So directly you're getting tan pi by 3, tan pi by 3. So that means tan 60 and that will give root over 3. And when it comes to question number 9, sine of minus 11 pi by 3 is given. So we know that sine minus theta, first to use the sine minus theta means minus sine theta here. That means minus sine, you get 11 pi by 3. 11 pi by 3 means you can write as so 2 pi. You can first write as 2 pi plus 2 pi plus 3 into 2 pi plus 2 pi by 3 here. 9 pi. 9 pi plus 2 pi, right? So sine 2 pi plus 3 pi plus 2, 3 pi plus 2 pi by 3. Here 2 rounds not complete, only 1 round is completed. Sine 180 plus, we're going to get minus of minus root 3 by 2. So next one is cotangent. Cotangent 15 by 4. So cotangent 54. Cot minus means you're getting first minus cot. Minus cot 15 pi by 4. 15 pi by 4. You can write as 4 pi minus pi by 4. 4 pi minus pi by 4. If the plus is given, if it is plus given means 2 rounds completed, but only minus is given here. We can't go with complete 2 rounds. Only 1 round is finished here. Minus cot. So 2 pi. So 2 pi plus 2 pi minus pi by 4. 2 pi minus pi by 4. So I can discard this 2 pi and cotangent 2 pi minus. That means it will come under fourth quadrant. So minus of minus, this will give positive 1. Positive 1. I think you can see even question number 7 also, I think. Question number 7, yeah. Yeah, question number 7, cosecant 14, 10 given. Cosecant 14, 10 is given here. Cosecant negative 14, 10 is given. So first we get minus cosecant 1, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 1, 0. So I can't go with, 4 times 4 into 360. 4 into 360, right, directly. So 1224, 1440 I am getting, 1440 I am getting here. So that means you're getting beyond this one. So 4 rounds are not completed, only 3 rounds completed. So you can discard directly 3 rounds here. Left with so 360 minus 13, 360 minus 360 minus 30 left here. 360 minus 30. That means you're getting minus or minus plus only. Finally, you're getting plus 2 here. So these are the basic things you have to understand clearly. I mean, once again, I'm writing here cosecant 1 minus 1 4 1 0. This I can write minus cosecant initial outside 4 into 360. I mean minus 30 minus 30. So this is nothing but minus cosecant. Only here 4 rounds are not completed. Only 3 rounds completed. 3 into 360 completed. So discard this part. Left with the 360 minus 30. 360 minus 30. So this will come under quadrant 4. Fourth quadrant here. So minus cosecant. I mean minus 30. Minus of minus plus only here. Cosecant 30 here finally. So therefore result is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So main thing is you have to understand here, right? First quadrant all positive. Second quadrant only sine and cosecant. Third quadrant tan and cot. Fourth quadrant cos and secant. This is the thing you have to get the sign. You have to follow this rule. So thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. If it is good and nice, share to others. Thank you.